Good morning students, welcome back art and craft class. Today we have to do a craft work mobile stand. Okay students, by using eye sticks. The materials required: first eye sticks, we need eye sticks and scale, glue gun and glue stick. Already I have inserted glue stick. Okay, one glue stick enough. Okay students, let's start. We need 25 eye sticks. Okay students, 25 eye sticks. 50 eye sticks, I think 50 or 60 eye sticks only 5 rupees like this. So you have to buy it Janai Guru and Durga store, any other stores. Okay, stationery stores. 25 eye sticks, we need 25. First you have to take 5 eye sticks. You have to take 5 eye sticks. Okay, you have to keep it equally. Okay, like this. Then you have to take 2.5 centimeter from the bottom. 2.5 centimeter. You have to mark it from here to here, 2.5 centimeter. Same you have to mark it here also, 2.5 centimeter. Then you have to draw a line. Okay students, 2.5 centimeter in 5 sticks I have to marked. Then you have to take one stick. Here apply glue and stick it like this. Okay students, take glue gun. Take glue gun and you have to apply here glue and you have to place it like this. Leave some space. Okay, next one you have to stick it, means then leave some space like this. We have to here insert another one stick, so leave some amount of the stick amount of space. Okay, little bit more you have to leave. Okay students, I have sticked 5 sticks. Okay, then take another 2 sticks and take another 2 sticks and you have to stick it two sticks, both sticks you have to stick it two sticks, 5 count. Okay, like this. Stick it 2 sticks. Okay, you have to use glue gun very carefully. Okay, I have sticked 5 sticks. Okay, two sticks I have sticked like this. 2 1 2 you have to stick like this. Then take this one and you have to place it like this, little bit top. Okay, 2 mm you have to stick it. You have to mark it here, 2 mm. This one you have to stick it here. The now I draw a one line here. You have to stick it. Okay, like this you have to stick it. Now you have to apply glue here and here and here. Now you have to stick it the second line. Okay, I have sticked the second line. Leave some space and stick it here. See, the first line I have draw here and now second line I draw here. Now you have to apply gum here, here, 4 place. One by one you have to stick it. Already we have sticked 2 sticks, 4. Okay, 5 here, 1 already I sticked, remaining 4. Okay, here you have to mark 3 centimeter. Okay, the 4 sticks you have to mark 3 centimeter from one end. Okay, now you have to stick it like this. Now to apply glue here. The mark will come outside. Okay, you have to stick it like this. And apply glue here. No? Stick it like this. Remaining one more. Apply glue here. Okay students, I have sticked the 4 2 sticks. Okay, now you have to stick the here one. Back side here, back side you got to, I have sticked like this. Now you have to here, back side you have to apply little bit of glue. Take one stick and to stick like this. Now you have to stick here, stick the two sticks here, you have to stick one. Then you have to take another two sticks. You have to stick it like this. Here one, here one. Apply some here one, you have to stick it, apply some glue here. Same here, you have to apply some glue, and bottom also apply some glue. Then the back side you have to apply glue here. The joint you have to apply. Now you have to keep your mobile here and see the online class or any video. Okay students, first you have to, we need 25 sticks, okay, 25 eye sticks. Then do a mobile stand like this. Okay students, you have to horizontally keep the mobile like this also, and vertically also I have 2 extra sticks given for vertically. You have to stand your mobile. Okay, so I have give the 2 extra sticks. You have keep it your mobile like this, anything you have to do like this and watch it like this. Okay students, you have to watch it like this, and vertically also you have to keep it like this and watch it. Okay students, same you have to do in your home and take a photocopy and send it via Google Classroom. You have to place it like this also, horizontally and vertically you have to place it to your mobile. Okay students, thank you students.